chocolate pudding with jello. Warm, stick into it. Okay. Milk, that's it, and the pudding powder mixed together. Then mix for 2 minutes, and then let it sit for 5 minutes.
It says use 6 plastic cups though.
Yeah, the glass cup, I'm not using plastic.
Ah, yeah, let me take over.
No, only 2 minutes, we're done already.
Let's start
Mix for 2
5
minutes. It's about 2 minutes. So you can mix a little more.
Actually, maybe it's not.
So many. Crumbs, cookies, no, crumbs and worms.
No, it's actually like pudding actually. I
Yeah,
wasn't expecting this. I was expecting to be more runny.
like the one we bought before in the market, right? Don't tell me too much though. We're gonna put the gummy and the jello and the Oreo.
Are we now?
Hi, better put in the small one instead of the big one, see? It's like, no, when there's too much cups, you say not enough cups. Is it too much?
This one needs more.
Look. Look. Oh yeah, that's actually.
No, that's not much chocolate.
No, we have not that much carbs. Look, they have a lot of gummies. Yeah. Oh, this is carbs needed on the other one.
Yeah, let me go.
So much fun.
This is like fake dirt right here.
Huh?
It's like dirt. This is supposed to represent dirt.
Fake dirt, yeah. You want to put it? Oh wait, you have to smooth it. Like this. Shake it.
Oh, there's still more dirt.
You can put more dirt on top of it. How many is left? Use them all. I'll put the dirt on the other one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's like Oreos, I think. Oreo crumbs or something. We can make it either chocolate pudding and you just put some Oreo on top. You have to grind it. Yeah. Oh. Oh. You want to play? Last one.
See, it's only 2 gummies, isn't it?
Look, so many left.
Ooh, you gotta put the worms in here.
Like a gummy bear family here, dude.
Oh my goodness, it's like the other cups have so much gum in them. This is so nice.
Let's try it. Jello mellow, help you to advertise it.
So we eat it.
Oh, it's ready to eat now. And chocolate pudding with jello. Warm, stick into it. Okay. Is it? Oh my, look at that.